We got a shipment in today, and we're gonna do an unboxing video, show you all my goodies. So these bags, believe it or not, are some of the best reptile bags, and because I buy so many animals, I get like a currency. It's like a cryptocurrency, but it's called critter currency. So as I buy, you get goodies, and I can give them away to you. I get them for free, you guys get them for free. Alrighty, this is the first animal. Now remember, all these animals are going to be listed on our website, brandonexotic.com. As this video goes up, the animals will be listed. So if there's something that you like, you need to go on the website immediately and buy it. Because if you're waiting and you want to wait till the weekend or come by the store, chances are it's probably going to be gone. And this is an albino ball python. Supposed to be het pied, but there's no guarantee on it. It almost looks like there's some sort of orange going on in there. See that right there? So that might be a pied marker for the albino. So I believe this is an albino het pied. Sometimes they have that orange. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty one. Very pretty snake. Very clean. Produced by the Reptile King in Florida. Here, I'll just put him in the bag for right now. Stick him here. Okay. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Next animal. We have a... You're not the prettiest Uromastyx, but you're cool. It's a female. Normally they're more colorful, but this is your dull female coloration. It's super orange. This is a red, not a yellow. This is a red Uromastyx. Cute little guy. Very cute. You guys are gonna like this. This here is an albino red-eared slider. Don't burn your mouth, buddy. Now, you cannot purchase, possess, sell, trade a red-eared slider in the state of Virginia. However, if that animal is an albino, you can now sell it and buy it. You can own it. No regulations on them anymore. It's lifted. So this is a completely legal little turtle. Albino.
He's cute.
He is cute. Very cute. Very cute little albino. Very rare. A rare turtle. Ooh. Should I do it or should I wait?
Wait.
We'll wait. You guys gotta wait for that. You have to wait. That's the grand finale. Oh, come on now. Normally they don't wrap them this way. So whoever you guys are down there, just tie them the other way. Don't do them this way. There we go. Okay. Dude, this is amazing quality. Look at this guy. Pastel pied. Look at that hieroglyphic looking thing. Look at that mark on there. I've never seen a pied like that.
It's a...
It almost looks like an unknown Pokemon.
That's what I was about to say.
Unknown.
It's a Mewtwo.
It almost looks like the all-seeing eye hieroglyphic. Come on, buddy. Let me see those pretty markings. Dude, that's dope.
No, that's
This
cool.
is nice. That's a nice one.
I even like this. Looks like a scream mask.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Look. Is it male or female?
Boy.
Boy.
That, I just can't get over that
I know,
mark.
that's cool.
That's
different.
Yeah, this is an amazing animal.
Make
One
sure-
of a kind.
make
If you
sure-
have if you have a pied that has that marking, show me. Send me a picture of it. But I highly doubt it. There's no way. There's no way. Okay. These are cute. I don't normally have these. I used to have them in the past, but they're kind of hard to get these days. It's more common than what they used to be. I wonder why that is. They're not in the iguanid family, they're in the agamid family, so they wouldn't have any regulations in Florida. Water dragon!
He's cute.
Didn't he? And he's pretty tame, okay.
I thought it was an El Salvadorian iguana.
No, this is not an iguana, this is a water dragon.
Uh-oh. He's cool.
He'll color up here soon. He's just dark because he was in the box. Oh. Uh-oh. Get that. He might run. You might want to get this on video.
He goes.
Oh, no. Oh, no!
There he is.
Oh, man.
He's fast.
I got it.
This is my favorite.
A lot of money in animals here. Animals are not cheap. And as you guys know, we're in the process of purchasing a zoo. I said I wasn't going to buy any inventory, but I just can't help myself. Blue-eyed Lucy. Mite free. Look at that pretty. It almost looks like. Look at the color on the head.
It's ivory.
No, it's not an ivory. This is a blue-eyed Lucy.
No, I know. I'm saying
Oh, the color is
coloring.
ivory.
It
It is
looks
like a tusk,
Yeah.
like an animal,
It's like a
like an
tan.
elephant tusk. Yeah, ivory color.
Look at that. It's like a straight line.
Mm. Oh. I wonder what it came from. If it's Mojave or I don't think it's a super fire. It's got the blue eyes. I don't know what that is.
Very pretty.
It is.
It's like lavender almost.
I'm gonna ask him where that one came from. What was the pairing? Alrighty. Now, hopefully I don't get bit on camera with this, but we will see. If I get bit, there's not a lot of studies on these. It is somewhat venomous. Rear fang venomous. More potent than hognose, though. It's like a neurotoxin. This here is a little red beak snake. So if you want to start getting into hots, this little guy right here would be a good beginner. Dang, he's cute.
He is cute.
He's a cute little guy.
He's fast.
Yeah. The red beak snake. And this is captive born and bred. This isn't a wild caught one. This is captive born. Oh, he's got some power to him. He's like squeezing my fingers.
I know, it's turning purple.
Yeah. Watch him just nail me. He's a little cold. So we're gonna get him a little heated up. He got some power to him. Look at his flat. Look at his little belly.
I know.
I don't know if this is a boy or a girl. I think it's a male. Look how long his tail is.
He's fat.
Yeah, he's a healthy one.
Look at him all cockeyed. He's like, hey.
Cute little guy. Ooh. I'm going to put all of these animals in the video, in the description. So if you guys, and I'll put them in order. I'll put them in order for you. And remember, the website, brandonexotic.com. This here is called a highway ball python. Highway. He's a little shy. It's called highways because look, it's like a road. It'd be cool if it was the whole snake.
Yeah.
Still a very beautiful animal. He's so scared. Look at him. He's so shy. Highway ball python. Okay, I can't wait any longer. I'm just going to show it to you. There's more down there, but... very rare. And I haven't had one of these in years. Oh! A Matamata! Matamata turtle. 5 inches or so. Just look at his little nose. Look at that little nose.
I've never seen
Here, come
it.
with me.
I've never seen it.
You've never seen a Matamata?
No.
It's a little dried out. Look, here's the little albino settling into his little habitat very nicely. So with these guys, you don't want to just toss them in there because they can drown. Kind of want to let them... Come on, little guy. Come back. Come to life. Gotta hydrate. It's a little dry. There we go.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Matamata
It's
turtle.
definitely different. It's like a dinosaur.
Yeah, I like the red under them.
Yeah. Wow. So they stick that thing up and that's how they
Yeah, they
eat?
do. They actually like slow moving water. So this is perfect. They're quick too when they eat. That little Borneo river turtle's like, who are you? These guys get massive.
Oh no.
3-footer. I'm probably gonna lose this guy. As soon as I open this bag, he's probably gonna come flying out. This is this. I don't like it when the bags are tied this way. It's harder to get into them. I know you're not happy. I'm gonna get you out of there. Hold on. I'm gonna get you out of there, buddy. Hold on. I know. I'm doing it as fast as I can. Don't bite me.
He's pretty though. He's green.
Yeah. Okay. Is that front door open? Yeah, crap. So if he flies out, hopefully I don't lose him. Lose him in Whole Street, which has happened one time. We lost a customer, got their iguana, refused to put it in a box. Thought they were just going to walk out the store with it on their shoulder. I insisted that it go in a box, but no. You know, the customer is always right. Ran straight into Whole Street and got ran over. So the new policy, wow, look how green he is.
Oh my god.
Wow. That's a really pretty goat iguana. A male.
Look at him whipping. Yeah.
I know, I wouldn't be happy after that either. I wouldn't be happy. You are beautiful.
He's really pretty. Dang, he's pretty.
Nails are really sharp. Come hold it this way. Hold it, nail. Now, we are fully permitted in the state of Virginia to sell corn snakes. Whoa, look at his head.
It's a screen mask. It's a screen mask.
Oh, it is a scream, like it's upside down.
Yeah.
It's like this. This is how it goes.
Yeah, it's a screen mask. Or it can be like Ghost Rider, like this way. See
Yeah.
it?
I like it that way.
Yeah. It's a screen mask.
Cool. Blood red. That's perfect for Scream.
Yeah.
Anathoristic Motley Albino. Oh, why is there two in here? Hi, guys. There's two corn snakes in here. Why is there two? What the world? Whoa. Is it a freebie? Or did somebody get out? No.
Freebie.
What in the world? This is an albino. This is just a normal albino. That's not Motley. That's normal. This is an Anery. This is an Anery. Wait.
Oh, he has a jalapeno.
Oh, he does have a little jalapeno. Wait, this is an albino, and this is just an Anery Motley. Interesting. Huh. Okay.
Very pretty.
Yeah, they are still pretty. Still cute. So cute. So cute. This here is actually my first Texas King that I've ever had.
Oh, he's pretty.
I've never had a Texas King snake.
He's like
This
a
is only
golden or something.
never had a Texas before. Captive born, not wild caught, guys. We can go in here for now. And then everybody loves the cute little baby turtles. Red-bellied Florida Cooter. Cooters. I did not order this, but there's a centipede in here.
Whoa.
And I did not order a centipede.
Hello, little guy.
What in the world?
He's cool though.
Yeah, it is. Maybe. Huh, interesting, yeah. Centipede was not on the list, so I guess it's another freebie item. Anyway, here's a normal little corn snake with a jalapeno on his head.
You go bite me.
Things are going. Florida. Where'd the other one go? There was two. Uh-oh.
Is this your dog?
Yeah, that's Manila.
I was wondering if it was.
How's it? So we just lost this guy. So we had to cut the video. And we found him. He was just running across the floor. And we have a special surprise. Guess who's back? John Hammel's back. He's back. Back at it again. Pueblan Miksnake here.
Gucci.
Gucci. Ooh, that's a good one, Gucci. I like that. Gucci color.
Right. Expensive.
And last but not least, we have a Kenyan Sandboa.
He's cute.
Mm-hmm.
He's small. I like your little face. So cute.
Right on. Well, you guys know where to find them. brandexotic.com. Peace out.